Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. What I have here today is my Tesla Model 3. As you can see on my previous video, I said I was gonna make a video when I replace my B-pillar Applique. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I look on YouTube and I didn't see any video on how to replace this. I got this one off of eBay. So you can see how this one is shattered. Sorry, it's getting a little dark outside. So yeah, what I'll do today is show you how to replace it. From what I'm seeing here, I've never done this, guys, believe me. This is my first time doing it, but I think it should be pretty simple. There is a cover here. This cover just goes on there. I popped this out. It was pretty simple. I used my hand to pry it on it here and it came out. And that reveals two 8mm bolt that I'm gonna take off, and then I'll show you what I found there. Okay, so I removed the two 8mm bolt. There it is. After I removed the bolt, so what I had to do is pull on it here. You can see how this is moving. It's starting to come out. You can see it here, how it's starting to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Sorry, I had to turn the camera there for a second. So once you pull that out, it's gonna reveal these connectors that you're gonna have to take out. And once you take that out, I guess it should be pretty easy. So go ahead and take out and remove those connectors, because I don't have a I'm holding the phone with my hand and I'm gonna need both hands in order to take this out. So I will do that real quick and then I'll be right back on the video. Okay, so now I have the connector swapped out onto the new one. You can see there is a tab here that goes on this hole. That's what I'm getting ready to do now. This is gonna be a challenge with just one hand, but I'll try my best to get it in there. And then make sure there's also a tab underneath here. Make sure that lines up with the body of the vehicle. I'm gonna try to line this up and come back, because I have to use both hands to do it. So for that reason, I'll go ahead and line it up and then come back to the video. All right, I have it all lined up. You see how this is looking nice and clean compared to the old one. Here is the old one that was broken. I have it here on the floor. You can see it. This one looks pretty nice to me. So after I install it, I just need to tie up this bolt. All right, when you tighten this, just make sure you don't go too crazy on it, because this is made out of plastic. You don't have to over tighten it. And this is the bottom piece. You can see here there's a tab here that goes in it like that. I need to make this one click. This part has to click. Haven't heard any click yet, so I'm just gonna make sure it clicks before I know this is all ready. There you go. Boom. Now look at that. Now let's see if there is any calibration to do. I don't know if this will show any message on the screen. We're gonna get it. All right, now after replacing that part, usually here there's a message here that show up that says that the B pillar applique has been blocked and that I needed to clean it off. So I'm gonna try to see if there is any way I can reset that camera. So here I'm going to service. I've never done this, so I really don't know. Maintenance, that's not what I want. Back here to service, and let's do clear cache, web camera data, web data. Let's clear that first. Now camera calibration, I guess that's what I want. Calibration cleared and successful. Beautiful. Camera preview. All right, this is what it's showing on the camera preview. Let's see, left pillar. You can see here where it says left pillar. That's the one that's gonna show me if it's working. Yep, it's working. It is working. That's beautiful. Wow. Now let's try left fender. Yep, that's a left fender. Right pillar, this is the other side of it. Right fender. Rear view camera. Oh, this is amazing. And then the cabin. Oh, that's me. The main camera. The wide. Okay, so this is the camera that I replaced that is showing up here. That's perfect. I guess the camera is working now. So now I'm just gonna go on a test drive to see if that message is still coming back here, because usually when I use my turn signal, that's when the message will come, it will show up here. So let me put my seatbelt on real quick, just so this car don't beep in your ears. All right, now I have my seatbelt on, and I'm going on a quick test drive here just to make sure the camera is working well and everything is good. Do left turn signal, no issue. Right turn signal, no issue. Usually when I put on my turn signal, that's when the message will pop up and say that I needed to replace the B pillar applique. And yeah, that's how you replace your pillar applique if you ever have any issue with it. When I called the dealership, they wanted $1,145 to replace this. I did it for like $70 because the part was $70 on eBay. It was a used one and it worked pretty well. So yeah, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. That helps me out a lot. Smash the like button, and yeah, thank you for watching and stay blessed.